Do it again. Oh, it said good job.
Maybe I should get the poop emoji. Because I think she's good. Oh, are you going to text me? Who's that? No, don't text random people.
Here, let's turn it sideways.
Here, let me help you. You want me to put it back on? Yeah, look. Here, get a new one there. That's a good one. Got that one there.
Hit send.
Where's the send button? Did you get them all? Are you checking your work?
Oh, you said it.
Good job.
Do you think this is annoying Eddie?
Probably.
It's a lot of text there, Wiley.
Should we finish? Oh, look, there's a rainbow. Ooh, you found the animals. Where's your favorite animal?
That.
Which one?
That.
Is that a wolf?
Yeah.
A fox?
Yeah, or not.
A dog?
Or not.
A koala bear?
A dog. Or dog.
A horse?
Or dog.
Little Wiley
sheep?
pooping while texting.
Or dog.
Just like her
Elephant?
mommy.
Or dog.
Panda bear?
Or dog.
Penguin?
Or dog.
I don't know, maybe a pigeon?
Or dog.
A chick?
Or dog.
That's another view of a chick.
Or dog.
A monkey?
Or dog.
A boar?
Or dog.
A cow?
Or dog.
A pig nose?
Or dog.
A pig?
Or dog.
A bear?
Or dog.
Do the rabbit.
A mouse?
Where's the rabbit?
Where's a bunny?
Rabbit.
Don't you see his ears? Oh, that's a frog.
Next to the frog. Other side. Oh.
Oh, you found new ones.